In this video we will create a divider which will change automatically with the actual values. So in this case it's here for September, and we want that the divider also change with value for October, November, etc. We go to data development, and for the divider, for the x-axis, we need a half point more, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here for the divider between the months we will take 1.5 and we add the cell M8 plus 1, and we will copy it down. And then here for the divider we create a formula and say if and the actual value is bigger than 0 and the following months is equal to 0, then we will take the value 0.1, and if nothing we will say n/a, and we copy it down. And here you see the value of 0.1 because in October we have no value, but we have a value in September. And here on the axis 9.5, that means we need the point right here. So we will go to our chart, click the right mouse key, then select data, we say add right divider. For the x values we will take the values from cell M8 until M19, and here for the y values we take the values from cell N8 until N19, and OK. So, and if you go to here to the chart, you see the divider point is right here. Then we go to Insert and Illustrations and Shapes, and we select here the line and press the Alt key, so we will get a vertical line. Then right mouse key, right mouse key, format shape. Then here at the bucket, at line and solid line, we select a black color. Then bigger, 2.5, close. We mark the vertical line and press the combination Ctrl and C for copy. Then we mark our divider point here and we fill it in with Ctrl V. No, one more. Copy it, mark our point, and fill it with Ctrl V. So now if we will add a value for October, just for example 20, our divider will spring between October and November, and if we delete the values from August until October, the divider is right here. That's a trick with the divider. Mark it and delete it. And now we will place our chart here in the sheet chart development. So, and we work with the arrow keys. Go to the cell C21, we press the shift key, go right to cell J21, we press already the shift key, and with the arrow key go down until line 33. We cut it and we go to chart development, we select cell 3 and we fill it in. And all our charts, 3 charts, are now here replaced. So that's a trick with the deviation of dollar deviations.